Definition. A key phasor is a reference signal that indicates a specific angular position of a rotating shaft, usually once per revolution. It provides a timing mark that allows vibration and speed measurements to be referenced to a specific point on the shaft. How it works. A key phasor probe, often a proximity sensor, is mounted near the shaft. A small key, notch, or reflective mark is placed on the shaft. Every time the key passes the probe, a pulse, the key phasor signal, is generated. The system records the phase angle of vibration relative to that pulse. Why it's important. The key phasor enables phase measurements to determine how vibration at one location leads or lags another. Order tracking to analyze vibrations at multiples of shaft speed, 1x, 2x, etc. Orbit and vector plots to visualize shaft motion. Synchronous averaging to filter out noise not related to shaft rotation. Example in use. If a turbine shaft rotates at 3000 rpm, 50 revolutions per second, the key phasor produces 50 pulses per second. The vibration system aligns each vibration waveform with the key phasor pulse. This allows the system to plot vibration versus rotational angle, not just time. In short, the key phasor is a once per revolution reference pulse that defines the shaft's angular position, making it possible to measure and analyze the phase of vibration relative to shaft rotation.